I hope she cries. Hey y'all. I'm in my car. My messy car. We'll be cleaning it. Because I feel like I didn't want to clean it, but now I'm like, if I vlog it, then maybe I'll clean it. So, yeah. This is like part 1 of getting my life together, I'm guessing, yeah. I feel like if one aspect of me is clean, aka my car, I'll feel better, so, about myself. Anyways, cleaning the house will be a whole entirely different thing, and Olivia, if you don't know who she is, she's, a good friend of mine. She's my best friend, one of my best friends, and she's in previous videos. My first video is about her. So if this lighting is so weird, I'm sorry. I can't change it. Okay, I can't change it. Car lighting is ugly. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna clean the car. You already knew that. It's a mess. I'm kind of ashamed to even show you. We could do OOTD because I look freaking hideous. I got this tank top from Urban Outfitters, a bra from Amazon, bralette type thing, these yoga pants from my aunt, and then some pink shoes from Walmart because we're poor. So yeah. Anyways, this lighting is terrible. My bad. Let's get started. I wanted to close the door because I want them to hear me, but also I don't want my neighbors that are outside to be like, what the hell is this girl talking about by herself? Oh my god, I'm sorry. All my friends have lives and I don't, so here I am. I have this giant bag of trash, my trash bag, so yeah, let's start there. If I start in the front, that will make everything else so much easier. Start in the front, like not our back. I have this big old trash can. All these receipts need to go. Oh my gosh. Are these mine? Yeah. I think, or mom's, I don't know. I found some sunglasses. My thermometer has to stay. To all my friends who have seen the inside of my car, all the packing peanuts are now gone. I love you, you're welcome. I'm finally cleaning this up for whoever gets to sit in this front seat again. Okay, let's show you. I picked up all the trash. Alright, so passenger seat, that's just what I was drinking. So yeah, I need to vacuum. Yeah. And then we can go on this side. And then we'll conquer the back. I got my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer that is no longer, like, it's like all gone and like deformed from all the heat. It's got a Johnny sticker on it. I got it for my birthday. Olivia got it for me for my 22nd birthday. A girl is old. Anyways, it's the cucumber melon scent, but it's all gone now. And I have a Johnny sticker that's like untouched, so I'm not like, I'm not gonna like peel this off because it's probably gonna be hard to peel off anyway. Oh, the back section. Brace yourselves. Yeah, nasty. Well, it's not that bad. The seats aren't bad because it's just me in the car. Like, I don't have people in my car, so the seats aren't like crummy or anything. Why is it not focused? The seats aren't bad. It's just I have a lot of just stuff. We should put on music, but I can't because copyright stuff and okay. So you just got me in my mouse voice. I'm always cold and I'm always looking for jackets, so I have this cardigan, a long cardigan, and then I have my brown leather jacket. These will stay in the car because I always need a jacket. I'm always cold. These are containers because when it was Thanksgiving, I thought I was gonna need them just in case my family wanted to share food, but we ended up eating a lot more than we anticipated, / I came over the next day to eat instead, so I didn't end up using them. So they need to go in the house. Gross. I got a Chick-fil-A container. We got my Adidas oh my god, dog, go away. We have my Adidas container, my shoebox, for when all of my friends, Olivia and Morgan, they both have the same pair of Adidas, and so I felt left out, because how dare they do anything without me? That even means matching shoes. So I said, I want matching shoes with y'all. And so we went to go and hunt down for some shoes. So yeah, I wear them all the time, so it wasn't a waste of money. Food receipts. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh, I don't know what that is. We've got my high school koozie. I'm just gonna put it in between the seats. We got a container. I found my Nintendo charger for the car. I knew it was in here, I just didn't know where. We've got the Chick-fil-A. Again, a whole bag this time. We've got my umbrella. And then we have my, some more stuff. This is like a what do I keep in my car video. Wow. Even though I think this is going to be a vlog and this is just going to be a section in the vlog. So we got my rain boots. They're from Target from like 3 years ago. Yeah, they got flowers on them. They're black, or is this navy? I think they're black. They're black with flowers on them. Yeah, they're great. I use them just when it's raining for work. Since I'm outside, I'm like back and forth. So I keep them in the car so that I never forget them. Which I don't ever forget them. So yeah. We've got a bottle of alcohol that I've stolen from work. They haven't... Like, when I tell you this has been in my car forever... Like, this has been in my car for over a year. No, less than a year. No. About a year. But it doesn't expire until 2022. Yes, 22. So next year. So I'm gonna bring it in the house. They haven't looked for it. So I had to buy alcohol. I bought it, and I guess this one just slipped the bag. So, oh well. This is a Starbucks tumbler. It's like rose, it's like gold, rose gold, something. So this needs to go in the house so it can be washed. I've got slippers for when my feet hurt, like flat shoes, ballerina slippers. Actually, they're really gross. I might have to get new ones. These are kind of nasty. But anyways, they're for when I used to wear heels, and I wear heels from time to time, but girls, pandemic time, I'm wearing sneakers with my dresses at this point. I'm embracing that I am short. But yeah, when I was wearing very uncomfortable shoes and I needed to switch out, I keep a pair of comfortable shoes in my car, along with some rain boots. Okay, we are down to the last thing. And then the trunk is pretty messy, but we could save that for a later date, I think. Yeah, that'd be nice. Yay, all clean. Oh my gosh, it's like a haul time. It's been like 3 days since I cleaned out my car. All of a sudden, Louisiana is now, it's cold, it's freezing. It's snowing in some parts. I don't know what's happening. I was literally in a tank top the other day, sweating my butt off. Now I'm freezing cold. But we're gonna do a haul. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So we're gonna make goodie bags for 3 of my besties, and only one of them's gonna get a Valentine's today, and then the other 2 will be postponed to maybe like Tuesday, because tomorrow it's going to actually snow, and we don't have tires for that. So yeah, I went to the dollar store, Target, PetSmart, and Walmart, because I'm broke. So we gotta get the deals where we can. I got the candy and stuff today, because I don't want to just keep candy in my house for a couple of days, especially if I'm giving it to somebody. But from Target, we've got bags, because my bags weren't big enough. So this one's gonna be for Celia, this one's gonna be for Morgan, and this one's gonna be for Olivia, because well, I don't know Celia's favorite color, but Morgan likes green, so this one was green, and then Olivia loves blue, but she likes baby blues or like lighter blues, but they only have this dark blue, so she's just gonna get what I give her. Love you, girl. Then to go in their little goodie bags, I got them sticky notes that have like little task productivity things on them, like you are a blank and here's why. So it has like you are a multitasker, you are a ray of sunshine, and then you write here's why. And then you have meeting, and then meeting doodles. Then you have goals and treat yourself, and then if plan A fails, plan B. So you have A and B. So I got 3 of those for them. Let's see, what is this? This is from PetSmart. I got Celia's dog a Valentine's treat, a toy, because Celia doesn't drink, but like I know Morgan and Olivia drink because we drink together. So I got them alcohol, but then I was like, I need to give Celia something else. So I gave her a dog toy for her dog. Love her. Anyways, next when I went to Dollar Tree, I got these bags because I was thinking, oh, it's going to be a little gift. No, I got bigger stuff than these bags could fit. But I'm always giving gifts, so these bags will be used eventually, just not today. I got them Disney stickers because I love Disney, Olivia loves Disney, Morgan loves Disney. So I think Celia loves Disney, but if she doesn't, she's getting them anyway. I got them their car. Oh, I got some dish soap because we needed dish soap about a week and a half ago, and I'm just now picking it up. So we got them chocolates and Skittles because it's Valentine's Day, I got Olivia some hair ties because she did a Valentine's Day photo shoot yesterday, and she only had one extra hair tie. So I bought her some more hair ties because I guess she needs some more. And then I bought them Valentine's Day cards, which I will write out. Then some loving notes because I never do that. And also, Morgan and Olivia and I, we've been friends for about 6, 7, 8. So, okay, so in this upcoming August, we would have been friends for 8 years. What the heck? And I don't think I've ever actually given them a Valentine's Day gift. I don't think I have. I know Morgan's given me Valentine's Day gifts, but I don't think I've ever given them. So this might be my first Valentine's gift to them, and I'm such a bad friend. Oh my god. Anyways. Yeah, so now we're giving them Valentine's Day gifts. So yeah. And then, of course, we have to give Celia. She very much so takes care of Olivia while she is not here where I live. So, yeah. For the girls that drink the adult beverage, I got them some rosé. I got them the pink lemonade flavor. So yeah. That's gonna be for them. I'm scared to shake it because I don't know. I think it's like a fizzy wine. Anyways, that's all from Target. And then we got them some cute little, I think these are like crayon heart thingies. Like they're crayons with each of the little colors. So yeah, kind of reminded me of elementary school, so I got them. So each of them get 2. And then we have some yarn. That's not for them. And then from Walmart, I got them little plushies. And that's it. Now we're gonna make the goodie bags. I have tissue paper somewhere. We'll make the goodie bags, and then we're gonna go and drive to Morgan's today. For you, it'll be like a millisecond. But for me, it'll probably be once she wakes up. I don't know if she's up yet. Because it's like 11. 11? Yeah, it's about 11 o'clock. So, give her a little time to get situated before I'm like, I have something for you. Let me come over to your house. And, yeah. So, and then for Olivia and Celia, I'll give them theirs maybe on Tuesday. Because Monday, there's no way I'm driving. I would drive today, but she works today, and so she wouldn't even get to actually see it until tonight or something. So I'll just wait a couple of days and then give it to her. And this is a surprise for Celia. So Olivia knows, but Celia doesn't know. And so this time I'm surprising Celia. And I've done this before where I went to Celia's house to surprise Olivia for her birthday, and I asked Celia, and so she knew about it. So she was like so giddy about it. But this time I'm surprising Celia. I'm so excited. And this is my first gift I've ever given Celia before. So I'm very, 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 very excited. Like, I'm super excited. I can't wait. I hope she cries. Gifts are done. All beautifully stuffed. Yeah. Letters or notes in the bags. We'll give Morgan's hers today, and then later this week we'll go and drive and give Olivia and Celia's theirs. So yeah, if Morgan can answer me, because I called and she didn't answer. So yeah. Okay, it's still Valentine's Day. It's 1:30. I changed my outfit just to something a little cuter. I didn't put on any makeup because I'm like, I don't know, I'm not into makeup right now at the moment. But yeah, we are headed to Morgan's. Not yet. I haven't even left my driveway yet. But yeah, I literally got in the car. I had the camera, my phone, my wallet. I forgot the gift. You can't even see me. I literally forgot the gift. And then I was like, something's missing. And I'm like, the whole reason you're going to her house in the first place. So yeah. So we're gonna drive. It's like 10-15 minutes of driving. And then we'll be there. And then we'll see her reaction. I'm so excited. Okay. Just drove from, or I'm driving. Skirt. Just left Morgan, so gosh. Forgot to film that because I was like, awkward. Well, I was awkward. I'm not gonna like pull out a camera in her face and be like, hey, happy Valentine's Day. Say cheese. But anyways, she loved it. Was very excited. She loved it. That's all I can say. It's just a little small Valentine's gift. She gave me some chocolates, and yeah. So we might drive to go see Olivia and Celia together. Maybe. We're not sure yet. Well, either she would go with me or I would just go by myself. So yeah. But it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so we're not doing it tomorrow. And then it's supposed to be sunny on Tuesday, so, and that's the only time I'd be able to see both of them together, because Olivia's coming home this upcoming weekend, so yeah. It's so, and if it snows tomorrow, I'll show y'all and we can play in the snow, because I can only count the amount of times it's actually snowed here on one hand. So we'll play in the snow. Not fully equipped for it because we don't have winter clothes here. We don't sell winter clothes here. So yeah, I have one big jacket. So we'll pop that out. We'll dust her out. What am I saying? We'll dust her off and have her on standby. Hopefully my mom will call me tonight if it does start snowing and be like, hey, it's snowing outside, and then we'll take you outside. Because normally she calls me and she's like, hey, it's snowing. I'm like, great. Time to go outside. Time to go play outside. Okay. Good morning. It's the next day. I forgot to vlog, or I think I said that in the car, but I forgot to vlog me giving Morgan her stuff. But yeah, it's the next day. It's not snowing. It is in fact ice outside though. There's ice. And we have no power. Yes. At first, so I don't really turn off my TV. It just goes on like sleep mode. But when the internet came off, it came back on saying the internet's off. So I was like, oh, okay, let me just turn off the TV. And then like I kept hearing like booming sounds as if like someone's like banging on a drum. Yeah, no, it was the power. So we don't have any power, and it is 32 degrees outside. Yay. And our trees are literally touching the floor right now because they're so heavy with ice. Our roofs are all frozen. We don't have any generators. And it's just ice. It's not even snow, it's ice. It's raining and frozen rain and stuff. And I'm not trying to touch my thing. Touch my phone because I want to keep the battery. So yeah. it's about to get real cold in this house, and I'm not excited for it. Yeah, all I can do is actually sit and just crochet my life away because I can't do anything. But it is breakfast time and I'm kind of hungry. I can eat cereal. That's about it. Yeah, I think I might just have that and just open the refrigerator really fast and close it to keep all the cold air in there. So, yeah, I'll show you what the ice looks like. Or I'll show you what our trees look like, in fact, because my tree is literally touching the bushes. Like, it's okay. So as you can see, we have ice, our roofs, our ice. Yep. And there's no snow on the ground, just ice. And if you can see, there's like branches from the tree that's by the front of the yard touching the ground. It's touching the ground. This tree has never been this slow before. So, yeah. But anyways. Okay, check in back with you later. My brother's still asleep, so I might just go and sleep too until the power comes back on. We don't even know when the power is supposed to be on. Okay. Alrighty, it's the same day. It's like 1:30, almost 2 o'clock, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, we still have no power. We are freezing our butts off and we are hungry. So my mom is gonna try and drive from where she is. I'm literally going to show up to the house looking exactly like this. I said, Mom, I am coming looking a hot mess. Like, I've been through some ish. And she was like, girl, it's okay. All the kids were still in onesies. I was like, great. Keep them there because I look like I'm homeless. So I will continue to look like I am home. Like, even the outfits that I packed, I am just worried. I'm just trying to stay warm. Okay, that's all I'm worried about. Fashion. Bye. So, yeah, my mom's coming over here. It should be like 30, 45-ish minutes before she gets here. I'm packing my bag, bringing my Nintendo so I could play while I'm there, bringing my phone because yes, hopefully they have food that I can chow down on because I am hungry. Hopefully it's warm in there because I am cold. Yeah. I'm not gonna bring the camera there because, yeah. And I will check in with y'all tomorrow because I should be back here tomorrow because the power should be back on tonight, but who knows? We don't know. I don't know. Okay, bye. Hello. It is Thursday. We just got back to the house yesterday night. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, our power went out for like 2 days, so we were at my mom's house. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, so I couldn't give I couldn't drive over to Olivia and them to give them their Valentine's gifts, but Olivia is coming home this weekend, so I will give her the Valentine's gifts for her and Celia. Surprise, Celia. Because if I'm just gonna give it to Olivia, then Celia will get it from Olivia when she goes back. But yeah, that kind of ruined my, this ice ruined my Valentine's surprise. But yeah, there's no more, well, there's a little bit of ice, but not really. But yeah, on today's agenda, we are getting my hair done. It's been like over a year since I've gotten it done. So I'm going to go to the grocery store because everything in the refrigerator needs to be thrown out. Replace all the things in the refrigerator. Yeah, maybe get lunch for Junie because I'll be like in my hair appointment when he's there. But yeah, so I won't. The next time you'll see me, I'll have nice hair, because I'm not gonna bring this camera and be like, hey, this girl's doing my hair, you know, because I'm shy. So yeah, okay, I think that's it. That's the update. I think hair getting done, going shopping, grocery shopping, cleaning out the refrigerator. I think that's it. Yeah, okay. Okay, it is, what's today, Saturday?
Yes, the 20th.
Yes, it's the 20th. It's been, what, like 3 days since I vlogged that haul, I think. I don't know. But, you know, Olivia's here.
Hello.
She, made it down here, so I didn't get to surprise Sawyer. But you know what? Well, she'll still be surprised. You just won't see it.
Yes, she'll just get it another time.
Correct. So,
Can I open?
yes,
okay.
You can open.
I'm so... Ah! Okay, what is this? Oh, he's so cute! Oh my god, I love that. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. What's this?
Because I love you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, she's cute.
Morgan already had one. She said it was good.
Is it good? Ooh, yes,
Morgan
my
said
rosé.
too, yeah.
Is this the same thing?
Yes.
Love it. There's so much in here. What's this?
Chocolate.
Oh my god.
'Cause it's-
Sharissa, you spoil me. What are these?
They're like 3D stickers.
That is dope. Those are so cool.
I was
That is actually super cool.
correct. I was like, Celia, I don't know if you like Disney, but the rest of us do, so I'm gonna
Oh
get
yeah,
you
she
some.
likes Disney. Oh my god, these are cute.
Yeah, Morgan was like, ooh.
These are nice. If plan A fails, have a plan B. Amen.
Yes, amen.
I really ran. I ran out of ponytail.
I know, when you were getting ready for Valentine's Day and you were like, where my ponytail? I was like, let me get her some.
I absolutely love Skittles.
I know.
What are these?
They're like
Are they
crayons.
pins? Oh my god, wait.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
That is super. Where'd you get these from?
Walmart.
Girl, I love them. I love them. And then the card. She's thick. Oh, she's so cute.
You want to, okay.
And then my cute little note.
Correct.
Not the scratch off.
Yeah. Girl, you know I'm illiterate.
Aww. Gonna cry.
Aww. I was just like,
The
oh.
PS.
Yes.
Aww, Sharissa, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. Do you want to tell you a note too?
I did. I gave her a note too.
Wow, that's crazy.
I
You
know.
write notes?
I know. I was literally, I think I put in Morgan's. I was like, I'm doing Olivia's thing.
I love it. I love your hair too.
Thank you, girl.